Okay, what I'm doing is I'm trying to set up a chat. I'm showing this for, well, basically Nathan Oakley and Political Hillbilly both asked me about how you get chat scrolling up across your screen. So I'm going to switch over to so I'll put up my display so everyone can see what my display is showing. What I've done is I've set up another scene. I've set up a scene here called Chat Generator. We'll switch to that. And what I've done is put in a background picture, my display capture, and my video. So I'll send over to that scene now. And I've set this up just so that we can play with the chat generator. So first thing you got to do is get your chat into your room. So first we're going to pop out our chat. Pop out the chat. There we go. Bring that down. I'm going to copy the address of the chat, of course. So copy that. I can close that back down. So now I'm going to go on to my sources. And I'm going to add a browser source. That's going to be my chat. But I already have a chat in there, so I'm going to create a new one just for this. We'll call this one Chat2. Chat2. We'll go. Okay, so we got Chat2 in there. I'm going to paste it in into the URL. We'll paste it. Go. Okay. Now we got our chat in our scene. If I get rid of the display, you'll see it. There's my chat. As you can see, I can make it different sizes. But that's not how we want my chat to look, is it? Shut that off for a second. So what we need to do is we need to go into Google. We need to, all I type in is chat v2, and it shows up. It's in the first line there. We'll just go to the site. So this is your area for changing what your chat looks like. You got different fonts. You got an outline, whether your chat's outlined or anything. And right now it's set for a transparent background. So let's just, you got different things you can do to your super chat fonts. You can change your backgrounds, but we want it transparent, which is, but every change you make will go into your CSS script here. So I'm not going to make any changes to it. I'm just going to put the chat into my room. So we'll copy it. So you copy it all. And all you're going to do is you're going to go back to where you made your chat 2. I'll turn it on. You can see it's on now. That's what I happen to call it. Then you go into Properties. Then you can see your CSS file here. Paste the whole thing in there. Get rid of what's in there. I just go over top of it and then paste everything in there and go OK. Then we'll turn it off. And then, now that that's active, I should be able to go interact. This could be a live fail. Could be, could be. Should be working. Let's have a look. Let's write that down. And we'll see what happened there. And there it comes up. You can see as I type. And that's what it's done to your chat. Transparent background. You can see how it's going up and over top of your screen. And we can go make changes in Chat2.0. So now if we make some changes, so let me put the display back on. So now I've gone in, we're back into the chat here, and you can see my chat sitting over top. And we're going to change a few things, and then you'll see how it shows up differently. So let's change. So we can change your sizes of your avatar. So let's make the avatars bigger. And you can see the change happening in your screen here. So we've made the bigger avatars. Let's change the font. Let's just pick one. Nothing you could do. What's that font? Interesting. It's nice. It's clean. Let's change. That's your channel. So we're changing the channel name fonts. You can see here how it's changing that font. So let's change that. That's not very pretty. Let's do the nothing you can do. So there you can see it's there. It's not very big, so let's change the font size a bit so that the person's name shows up better. You can change the messages font. Well, that wouldn't be a very easy one to read, so we'll change this to a BB. That's friend. Okay, we'll go like that. And you can change all kinds of things in here. You can do animation. You can have it fade in time. So let's do it. Remove the old messages, and we'll fade it out. And we'll fade it out in how many seconds? Let's say 20 seconds, and we'll see what happens. So what that's done is everything we've done there is change the CSS file. So let's go copy it. You can see how it's got the fade in, fade out. Here we've changed this stuff so you can see what it's done in the code. And for some reason it's not scrolling up. There we go. So we'll copy it all. Copy it. We'll go into our chat properties again over here. Go on properties. Go into our CSS. Paste. Make sure you've removed everything out of there, and that should change what our chat looks like. I'll get rid of the display. Do a bit of typing in. There we go. And you can see how it shows up on the screen. My avatar is a little bigger. But also what's going to happen here, after 20 seconds, you'll start to see the chat disappear. So I hope that is helpful, like I say. So we go back. I'll put the display back up. So all you do is go into Google, just start typing in Chat2, and you'll see it shows up right there, Chat2 generator. But you might have to type in V2. But it will show up, and you'll see Chat2 style generator. You click on that. That's the page you want. You change things down here. And all this is thanks to Sheeps and Neeps, actually, who just popped in the room, I see. How you doing? Yeah, well, I'm just teaching others now. As you gave me advice, Sheeps and Neeps, or Des, as you gave me the advice, you know. Got to pass it forward. Pass it forward, mate. Well, cheers, buddy. You found the info and you put me on the right track, and others have asked, and so I've just shared it just now. I figure it's the best way to go through, and if I screw up, absolutely free knowledge. It's brilliant. But yeah, I just sorry to take off so quickly, but I just wanted to pop in, make a quick video on that, and get hopefully some people will watch it and understand exactly what I did there, and that's actually for Nathan Oakley and Political Hillbilly. Okay, Nate, take care, and hope the appointments are nothing serious. Stay good, buddy. Stay good.